Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss with you DevOps Complete Master Program in English, not Hindi. Already I have a tutorial in English as well, Hindi as well, so you can go and you can watch, no problem. But if you are learning DevOps in completely in English, so I am going to start all these course English as well. So make sure if you are learning DevOps, so first you need to understand the roadmap of the DevOps and how you can start DevOps learning, what is the complete roadmap, and what kind of tools and technology you need to learn as a beginner. This is very important, right? So basically, friends, I'm going to discuss with you three important concepts in DevOps, right? Because I know a lot of student learning DevOps nowadays, right? First, you need to understand the concept of the DevOps, how company using these technologies nowadays in production environment, and how we can learn these kind of things, or how we can manage different activities as compared to production environment. See, suppose you are working or you are going to learn any things related to the technologies, DevOps technologies, MLOps technologies, machine learning and operation, whatever you are learning. Also, you are learning in kind of languages like that, the DevOps in programming field you are going to choose. So you need to learn all these concepts very carefully, because a lot of institute available in market, a lot of course available in different platform. You can go, you can purchase, you can learn. But what is your goal end of the day? You want job in industry, right? Simple. But if you want job in an industry, but it is not a simple easy method you can job nowadays in 2025. Why? Because a lot of students, a lot of working professional, a lot of non-IT guys, they are learning DevOps, right? Who will get the job? Everyone? No. The person who learning from real content in production level. This is important. Not only the basic. If you are learning DevOps, your concept clear, what kind of tools company using in production, what kind of your activities industry, this is matter. This is important, because a lot of student call me, sir, please create some tutorial in English as well. Some of the students living in outside India as well, they are highly demand, so they wasted a lot of money in different platform, because they don't know the proper roadmap, they don't know the right way of learning. This is important, because a lot of guys make fool by different organization. I don't want to share any kind of names. First, you need to understand what is the demand of the market, and how company using different tools nowadays, and what kind of your job profile, and how you can switch your job or how you can get job. This is important. Okay, so well, one more important things I'm going to share with you: certification. Okay, certification. And second one is 100% job placement. This kind of trap, I'm not talking about you. I'm just going to share the real fact about the truth of the market, right? If you are going anywhere to learn DevOps with 100% placement and including the certification and the cost of whatever, 80,000, 1 lakh, 50,000, 25,000. So make sure don't go these kind of things. Definitely will trap. Definitely. Thousands of students, the person who are working, they also trap these kind of things. So make sure what is the right way, and from where, whatever you want, you can learn from there. because I cannot receive anyone call every time. This is important because I am working professional. So make sure you need to learn the proper way, and you need to understand the how we can learn DevOps in easy and the simplest way, right? So let's start with the concept of the DevOps. Suppose you are learning DevOps, okay, from anywhere. So how you can learn and what kind of technology first you need to learn, because a lot of students, they are calling, sir, I have completed my Python course. What you do in Python? Nothing. I know you know the basic Python, but company not using this basic Python. You know the scripting in Python? No. You know the cell scripting? You know the automation process? You don't know. So how you can expect the company will give you the job? Definitely you will reject. Every time you will reject for this profile, DevOps or AWS cloud engineer or Linux admin or SRE engineer, whatever. So you need to understand the full concept. So friends, see very careful. DevOps is the just development operation. There is a two team. One is the development, okay, highly demand in company development process. The developer write the code. Nowadays the company is using for the automation system. So developer write the code, push any version control, GitHub or Circle CI or Bitbucket. So code is available in this repositories in this version control system. Okay. So the one task is fully completed. Developer write the code, push in GitHub, completed, finished. Now this is the one process is completed by the team is developer, okay. So another team is DevOps engineer, means see the developer completed their code, push in any version control system, and the operations team is managing this complete process to deploy the application in right production environment, right? So developer commit and push. So how you can manage the application is hosted or there is no any downtime and there is no any bugs and no any troubleshooting? So who will manage? There is an operation team. So who is the operation team? You or I or whatever. The technical team means developer write the code and push, and who is the operation team? So there is a lot of job profile: AWS admin, AWS cloud engineer, AWS DevOps engineer, Azure DevOps engineer, GCP DevOps engineer, whatever you are learning. So make sure which profile is suitable for which work activities, because after completed your course, you cannot get job in DevOps profile. You need to understand the full concept. Okay. So developer write the code, push in this version control, suppose this GitHub. Okay. So complete process. This is the CI/CD pipeline. I'm going just high level, but you need to understand the first concept. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. Company using multiple tools like that: Jenkins, Kubernetes, Ansible, Ceph, Puppet, Nagios, Prometheus monitoring tool, right? Ansible, Kubernetes, Grafana, Jenkins, multiple tools available here for the automation purpose. Definitely. Okay, so all the tools are integrated to each other for this process. But after manage any kind of, suppose in any production environment, suppose you are getting any job in a company, okay, suppose you are getting 4 LPA as a initial level. So what you will manage in a company? Nothing, because already is project deploy, already project is there, someone is resigned from the company and you are going for his or her position. What you will manage? Definitely you will manage already infrastructure is deployed. Suppose any banking projects you are managing, or someone is resigned and you are going to join another company. So what you will do there? Your daily activity is important. Okay. You cannot explain, sir, these projects I created or I have created with the help of Terraform these projects and entire infrastructure I am managing myself. No, because there is a different team is working. DevOps, development, Linux, network, billing, operation, resource management, security management. These kind of team is working inside the production environment. So make sure you are learning in DevOps. So make sure which profile is suitable for yourself. And definitely if you are learning from the basic level, definitely you can get job after 6, 7 or 8 or maybe 1 year, because learning is important with solid, not the filter, not the 10%, not 15% content is required. If you are giving your 100%, definitely you will get job in 2025. I am giving open challenge to everyone. But you need to learn the proper way. You need to learn in the right way, daily basis, not only just 10%. You are learning only today and after 3 days 4 days you are learning 15%. You will not get job anyhow, because now the technology is completely changed. Automation is in using production. You know the OpenShift right now, you know the Prometheus monitoring tool, you don't know. So first you need to learn the concept from the basic, right? So make sure friends, if you are learning DevOps, so from where you can start the learning. So I will recommend to every beginners, college students, fresher, or you are working in a non-IT, you are going to learn DevOps, start from Linux. Anyhow, start from Linux. Forget every tools and technologies, Python, MLOps, right? So you need to focus on Linux. After completed your Linux, start AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP. At least one cloud and in your profile. Another, after completed these tools, start projects. Only two tools. In AWS DevOps, you can make some projects or day by day activities. Already I have created this kind of tutorial. You can go and can watch. Or if you want live classes, you can contact me directly. I will suggest. Or any query related to DevOps and learning directly, you can contact given below number, or you can WhatsApp. I will support, I will help the right way or right path, right? So make sure this is the basic fundamental. You need to learn Linux, AWS, then multiple tools available: Kubernetes, Grafana, Jenkins, Azure, SonarQube, GitLab, Git, okay, Docker, Ceph, Ansible, Terraform, Python, Shell scripting. You can learn further, but I will recommend to everyone, please don't focus on more and more tools and technology. First, at least complete your basic. If your basic is clear, so you can learn further more technologies. Because if you are learning directly Kubernetes, you don't know the Linux, how you can learn? Definitely the person who experience, they teach the high level, and the person who is beginner, they teach the basic level, right? So where you want to learn, you want to learn DevOps, first you need to learn the basic concept first, then go to the high level of production level environment, how company are using these tools and commands, what is the day-to-day activities. This is the very, very important, and these kind of things matter for your job profile, right? So again, I'm going to repeat, don't focus on certification, don't focus on 100% placement, job oriented. If you are going, so definitely will go in trap. If you want see the truth, so you can WhatsApp me. So a lot of thousands and thousands of candidates, they are contact me, sir, I have completed this course year back from this kind of things, from this place, I'm not getting job. Why? Because they don't know the tools, they don't know technology, just they have completed certification, DevOps certification course, placement oriented job, that's it. Definitely he will or she will reject from any kind of interview. I'm giving open challenge, right? So if you're a beginner, if you're learning, so make sure I started this master program, and definitely in 65 days I will upload 92 tutorial. This is my target date. 65 days, you can count down from the date. Okay, so I will upload 90s tutorial in English as well. If you are learning, so you can go, you can watch, and any further query you can contact me given below numbers. Okay, so in this video I'm going to thanks. This is the only introductory part. From second lecture, I will make some activities like this, how company using multiple tools and what is the purpose of the tools. I will explain in next video. So in this video, I'm going to thanks and take care and bye bye.